Hey everybody, in case you have an electric stove and you're worried about somebody taking it from you, if you believe all the garbage out there on the news, you can have a gas stove and keep it. It's kind of funny, I'm putting this on top of an induction stove. So I just want to show this small propane canister that's being used with the stove. It's meant for propane or butane, and so this will be the first time. So it's 50 grams of propane in here, and a typical meal probably runs about 10 grams. So enough for a couple meals. Something you could easily use for backpack camping if you like to carry a lot of weight. But the little canisters here, just showing how they work just fine. I put some sausages on here and I'll cook those. Anyways, that's the style here. So, relatively small canister, much smaller than what you would normally use, but hey, it works. I thought I'd give it a try. So thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, give me a comment, and I'll try to answer them. Thank you.